In primetime news this evening, double blow, COVID and crime, Westmoreland businesses in dire need of relief. New police station in crime-plagued La Covia, St. Elizabeth, and COVID hospitalizations climbs to a new high.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how has this fourth wave of COVID-19 impacted your work and or social life? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.